Hey guys, so in this tutorial I will show you how to create a double exposure using Photoshop. Okay, let's begin. The first step will be to have our picture, first picture, which will be a subject. It is very important for you guys to know that it should be black and white. Okay, so after that we can use the selection tool and use the option that says select subject. It will calculate our subject, and after that we can hit where it says create new layer mask or add layer mask. After that we need to go and select here where it says solid color. Basically these are the fill masks and the effects. So we're going to select the solid color. We need to put it white. We can put this behind our subject, and after that we can drag the picture we want to use for this procedure. In my case it's going to be this picture, and maybe I can rotate it like a bit so it matches like my subject, like that. Okay, so after that we can just hide that. Okay. And we're going to put it, we can turn it off and we can go and put it as a screen where it says here on fusion mode. Okay, so after that, as you can see, this is like the result we have, but we can tweak some things to look better. So the first thing will be to put our color fill, to change our color fill to other color, which will be the brightest color in the scene, so like this. And after that we can select here and we can click on curves, and we can just drag this to the middle where we can just recover some details of the face, and we can move this as well to recover details from the subject and the photo. So we can just tweak this depending on our result, so we can maintain the contrast there. And after that we can select the mask layer, and we can use our pencil, okay, or brush, and we can select black. And after that we can just do it like real soft in the borders to have a nice transition. So that's it guys, I hope you like it, and bye.